Well, this is a first here in 2020. Welcome to the series Shipt. In this video, we're going to look at your Shipt shopper app here in 2020 and looking at some of the positives for shoppers and some of the areas of opportunity. As you know, I'm based here in San Diego, and as a Shipt shopper, have completed just under 100 shops. I want to start with one small win that I just think is a good feature that you guys do, and that's the graduation pack. I'm a big fan of rewarding the workers on these apps and acknowledging them. And after completing 30 shops, you guys give shoppers this graduation pack. And it's actually useful. It's not just useless stuff. Sure, these shirts are optional. It's nice to have, but getting the branded hot and cold bag, yes, it is branding, but it is actually useful to a shopper. So talking about the shopper app, I think you guys have a lot of opportunities when it comes to shoppers because in my opinion, you don't have the oversaturation like other apps have. I don't know if it's that you guys fly under the radar for people looking for a side hustle. You're obviously doing a lot right. You had a massive acquisition from Target, so there's still a good amount of opportunities for prospective shoppers. And when it comes to pay, you guys have a ton of orders, especially now in our unfortunate landscape with these whole quarantines. There's been a ton of opportunities for actual shops. Now, when it comes to the pay, however, you may have seen that some of the numbers show you may be decreasing shopper pay. Now, those were just my personal examples. That's not to say you're doing that nationally or even here in the state of California. So as you consider the profit and loss statement, as all of these companies do when looking to turn a profit, please do not forget about the other side of the coin, that is your shoppers and fair pay. Especially in today's landscape with these quarantines, take care of your Shipt shoppers. They're putting themselves really at risk, being in one of the higher risk areas, these high volume grocery stores. And they may be spending even more time in these stores. As consumers can no longer go out and shop themselves, your Shipt shoppers are left with a laundry list of items. Looking at the Shipt shopper app directly, it's pretty easy to use. There's been a recent rebrand or refresh. It's helpful, the stats are there, and it's not really prone to crashes. So now, here in 2020, I think this is going to be a big year for Shipt. Watching your revenue, the pay incentives to shoppers, what changes are going to come out for shoppers this year, and how you're going to compete with competitors like Instacart. And if you've enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like, and make sure to click or tap the screen now for my most recent video, as well as a video recommended for you, and I'll see you in the next one.